like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, my name is Deb. If you're new here, welcome. Hey, feel free to subscribe because we'd love to have you. And today I have my order. I don't know what I did with the other half of this order. Oh, here it is. Okay. And this is the one that I posted in the community. And on it, it says $20 and it says a value of $82. But it had two different things. If you bought this and something else, it gave you free shipping. And together, this was on sale for, I think, $10 and this was like $5. So, and you got free shipping on it because it just puts you right at the thing. And this is About Face, the Performer. I've never tried it, but where I have been doing, you know, where you wear a certain cosmetic all day to see how it performs. I've been doing those and comparing them. So I thought nothing else, I could keep this on the running order. And this goes like this, if I can get it out without making a mess. And this is the color. Let's see how, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. Which, okay. It's About Face. And this is Skin Focus Foundation. But I thought I could use that. It did cover my track mark there. Oh, and if you're new here on my channel, I call them my track marks, and that's just where my veins have blown from being in the hospital. I'm really not a drug addict. But hey, but I thought I could use that for, and we'll follow up with a few more. And I'll wear it all day to see how it wears. I put it on and, you know, you get the before and the after. And I did it with mascaras, and I haven't gotten it. All I gotta do is a voiceover on it and I'll be done. But I was amazed at the problems that some of the higher cost ones gave you that I did. And I was really shocked by it. But I got that almost done. But then here is your Luscious Lips Collections. So, and it's a 7-piece sampler kit. So we'll just go through these and see what we got. Now, like I've said before, I really don't dip into, I tend not to reach for samples. But a lot of the kids do. And they're like, Grandma, what you got? What you got? You know. So, okay. First thing is Plumping Lip Oil by Tarte. High performance, which means it probably burns. And this is the before and after picture. So it probably burns. Here's what the little bottle looks like. But some of these sample sizes are nice to just throw in your purse because... Oh, that's a brush. And I'll put it on. Let's see if I scream before the end of the thing. Because some of these get really, really harsh. And here's Buxom Full On. I believe this was in last month's, and it's Plump, Tingle, and Shine. And that is tingling, the one I just put on. But this is Plump, Tingle, and Shine. I'm not going to put it over this, that would be crazy. High Shine Shimmer with Refreshing Tingly Sensation. Yeah, I have a refreshing tingling sensation right now, but let's see. I'd like to see. Can you see that? That's the color. It is pretty. But look at that in that bottle. It really looks pretty in the bottle. And that's, you know, yeah. This is Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Oh my. Oh my. If I can find the links for these, I will put them up, but I may just leave it the way it is. Because I got the babies coming. I got to get ahead. Now, this one comes with paper. This is Too Faced lip injection. And it comes I don't know, but there might be a few issues with this. When you gotta give a pamphlet for extra strength, instant and long-term lip plumper. Now this one on my arm, I feel nothing, but that doesn't mean anything. You know, and it's just plain. There's not a color there, but I'm gonna put it on my arm. Do I dare? Do I dare? Because we'll see. We will see. Lips looking revolumized after 1 week. You use it for a week, and you're supposed to be able to tell a difference. I'm just waiting to see if it tingles. It's tingling a little bit, but not. And it has like the taste of mint. Okay. Then we have, what are you? What are you? This is Milani Supercharged Lip Mask. And here's what it looks like. Here's what the bottle looks like. Is that the front or the back? Oh, that was the front. That was the back. Here's the front. That's what it looks like. And you open it up and it has one of these. This is what it looks like. And it's just a gloss mask. You know, you put it on before you go to bed. And it softens your lips and makes your lips all special. And then there are, who is this by? Who is this by? You're gonna have to tell me because I don't see it. Okay. It doesn't tell me there, but it might tell me here. Okay, this is About Face matte lip pencil, and that's what we'll put it here. That's that color. Excuse me, I've been recording all day trying to get ahead for those kids. But this is what it looks like. So, there's that. And this one is NYX Professional Makeup Line Loud Vegan Lip Liner in Rebel Kind. And of course it's full size. Most lip liners are. Let's see if we can find the spot. Should have went and did this first, but that's kind of cheating. I know a lot of YouTubers do. They go through and they do it all first. But I'm kind of a, you know, go by the seat of your ass kind of girl. So it is what it is. That's what got me watching two kids for a week. A 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. If I ain't dead when they come back, it'll be amazing. Especially Okie, because she's a handful. She's terrible twos. And she's like, I told my friend Glenda, she was sitting up on the table, which is, I tell her to sitting up to the table so she can eat. She was sitting on the table, and I told my friend Glenda, I took a picture of her, and I said, I ain't telling her to get down. Her mom and dad were here, so I did, you know, usually when their parents are here, it's their parents' job to watch them. But I said, I ain't telling her to get down. I'm scared of her. This girl's strong. And when you try to take something away from her, you pick her whole body up off the ground. Come on. Well, we'll see this next year, okay? Can we do it? There, I finally got it. Funny, I was pulling in the wrong place. How'd I know? Well, I see there was 2 places. And I finally hit one right one. Come on. Why you gotta do this to me like that? You know, them country singers ain't got nothing on me about a hard day. Trying my patience again. And I don't usually have any. I think I got it. I think I got it far enough anyway. Because I've learned if you get so far, you can just leave it on it. There we go. I just left it on there on the top of it and it'll slide out. But I'm not going to worry about it right now. But this is what she looks like. And this is the color. And it broke immediately. Yeah, it broke immediately. See? I'll just pick that up and use it. And that brown's the color. That kind of looks like shit. But, can you move it up? I am not sure. Nothing's happening. Should happen, but it ain't happening. It wouldn't twist if you didn't need... They must have known it was for me. Because I would just throw this away. I'm not playing with that. If it's no good, it's no good. But, yeah, those are the colors. This is the lip liners. Over here is the first one, but I think it's pretty well rubbed off. And that was my order from Ulta. And I left that on my comments on for the channel when it came in, and I've got another one that is the same way, and I'm doing that because I'm putting them on the channel, you know, as comments from me, so that way you can get it when it comes in. So I'm not opening it, and it's no longer valid because this is no longer valid. But I was just showing you what it was. So perhaps next time when they come around, because they come around all the time at Ulta. But anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe. Do the YouTube things. Oh, people need love too. Bye.